Welcome to day 9 of my 30-day series on how to get started in day trading in 2026. I have spent $8,000 in trading membership. I've invested a lot, and this is free game that I'm giving you guys, so you better be taking notes. Yesterday, I talked about the importance of liquidity, and today we are going to talk about pullbacks versus breakouts. This is so important because this is where a lot of traders get confused and they lose a lot of money. Let's start simple. Breakouts are when price pushes through a level, specifically like a support or resistance level or any area where price has reacted to multiple times. A pullback is when price temporarily comes back into an area and then it continues in the direction of the trend. Let's say price breaks through a level and it holds above that level. When it breaks out, it's likely going to pull back to continue in that trend. The number one mistake beginners make is that they do not identify the real trend. They think that just because it starts to look bearish or it starts to go down, that means that price is going to keep selling. But they're not able to identify the fact that it's just a pullback. And that's how people lose money. There's always going to be days where price is trending, but what comes up must come down and vice versa. We're always going to experience pullbacks. So remember that breakouts happen when price breaks through a high or a low. And a pullback is a temporary move against the trend. You need to know the difference between the two because this is how you are going to know when you can enter and exit. When price breaks out of a major high or low, that's going to give you the opportunity to enter. And when price pulls back, that also gives you another opportunity to re-enter. Breakouts are confirmation that a new direction is going to happen in the market. Pullback entries are going to be a lot cleaner, slower, and more forgiving, especially if you are a new trader. I hope this makes sense. If this is still very confusing, I highly suggest you just go on your chart, start marking out all of the breakouts and pullbacks you identify. Study my strategy course. I have a lot of videos on my strategy in my WAP. You can access that through my Discord. Bye!